The Postmodern Condition, a report on knowledge, is a nonfiction work by Jean-François Lyotard. First published in 1979, the book examines the nature of knowledge in a world undergoing rapid transformation and questions what postmodernity means for science and technology. Upon its release, the book influenced both scientists and philosophers, although Lyotard later dismissed it as his least successful work. Lyotard was a French literary theorist, philosopher, and writer who spent his career exploring how postmodernity shapes the human condition. He also served as a director at the International College of Philosophy in Paris. Lyotard's central thesis is that, prior to postmodernism, knowledge grew from extended discourse. Scientific debates were philosophical in nature, with scholars carefully evaluating evidence and contributing to ongoing discussions. This never-ending dialogue, called a metanarrative, allowed knowledge to evolve over time. Scientists legitimized one another because they operated within the same metanarrative. Today, however, knowledge has become commodified and the metanarrative no longer exists. The postmodern condition is organized into 14 chapters. Chapter 1, The Field, Knowledge in Computerized Societies, examines the commodification of knowledge. Information is condensed into digestible units and transmitted via computers. Data that cannot be shared in this way loses its value. This is the essence of the knowledge economy, in which businesses profit from repackaging knowledge, thereby devaluing it. Chapter 2, Legitimation, asks who validates this new flow of knowledge. Lyotard expresses concern that governments control the public's access to information, making the pursuit of knowledge once again elitist. He questions who monitors the guardians of knowledge. Chapter 3, Language Games, explores the changing nature of language and communication. Our social interactions and ways of consuming knowledge shift depending on the medium. For instance, reading a book differs from speaking on the telephone. Chapter 4, The Nature of the Social Bond, the Modern Alternative, argues that knowledge and society are part of a larger modern social machine. Knowledge and society work together to drive progress, though this system remains elitist. Lyotard extends this discussion in The Nature of the Social Bond, the Postmodern Perspective. In Chapter 6, The Pragmatics of Narrative Knowledge, Lyotard distinguishes between science and knowledge. Science is verifiable. Experiments can be repeated to produce consistent results. Knowledge, however, is fluid and adaptable. A teacher conveys knowledge to students, and the process itself legitimizes the teacher. Students then demonstrate this knowledge through standardized measures and pass it on further. Chapter 7, The Pragmatics of Scientific Knowledge, delves deeper into scientific knowledge. Science is not inherently true but is validated by our understanding of natural laws. Chapter 8, The Narrative Function and the Legitimation of Knowledge, identifies commonalities between scientific knowledge and contemporary modes of knowledge transmission, noting that both rely on narratives to varying degrees. Chapter 9, Narratives of the Legitimation of Knowledge, suggests that in a postmodern society, the public plays a larger role in legitimizing knowledge, as people can choose to reject packaged information. Chapter 10, Delegitimation, reinforces Lyotard's argument that the metanarrative is obsolete. In a globalized world where no one can master every language, knowledge must pass through smaller social channels and be legitimized by cultural and social acceptance. A single overarching body of knowledge no longer exists. Chapter 11, Research and its Legitimation through Performativity, asserts that there is no universal scientific standard for proving knowledge. Industrialized knowledge benefits only the wealthy, who selectively control information to shape society. Even scientific fields such as pharmaceuticals are motivated by profit rather than a genuine pursuit of knowledge. Chapter 12, Education and its Legitimation through Performativity, claims that learning extends beyond classrooms and universities. Constant adaptation is required to survive in an industrialized world. Chapter 13, Postmodern Science as the Search for Instabilities, emphasizes the instability of today's educational model, continuing the theme of adaptation. The book concludes with Chapter 14, Legitimation by Paralogy, in which Lyotard questions whether there has ever been a truly stable model for transmitting scientific knowledge. Our understanding and abilities are constantly evolving, and our potential for learning expands with each decade. Lyotard argues that this is a positive development. Accepting impermanence encourages us to question both society and the authorities that seek to define knowledge. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe.